Alright, guys. Good morning. We're going to give you an update on the deadbolt. We got all the upgrades that have come in so far done. We're not done yet, but we're close. Alright, so let's take a look at the deadbolt. Show you everything we've done. Alright, first thing you can see, there's our new bumper. Got our new bumper on there. Haven't got the winch yet, so the winch is not installed. There's the new front servo, the Emax and Endura links, along with the crab shack Endura shock, 43 millimeter, which we had to highly make work. We had to modify the shit out of it. There's the high clearance shock, or the high clearance bars, complete 4-link system. The new Endura motor, the 50 turn, high torque, high pro motor. Everything is back in the truck. And there you see the new wheels, tires. Some other modifications to the cage. Painted the driver's helmet. We will be taking this light bucket here off when I have a new LED light bar coming. And we will go from there. But yeah, as you see, everything is nice and neat. All our wires are tucked. Everything is good, guys. Okay, well, that's all we got for now. We'll post another update when the other parts come in. And then once we get her done, we'll take her out and we'll do a good run. Alright, guys, peace out. Have a good day.